then what you have to do, you need to make sure one thing. Here you are at basics of Java. So in the local also you are at the basics of Java. But where you are now, as of now, you are at GitHub for Java. You need to go inside that folder. Okay. So you can write ls. ls means give me the list of files present in it. Okay. So you can see basics of Java is present here. So you need to change your directory to this particular basics of Java. That means you need to go inside that particular folder. So when you have to go inside the particular folder, so you have to write cd, the name of the folder. cd, name of the folder. cd means changing my directory from GitHub for Java to basics of Java. Okay. So now you can see. Now you can see in your local also, I am at basics of Java, main branch. Okay. And in your remote also, I am at the same place called as basics of Java. You need to make sure that both of them are synced with each other. Okay. Once this much is done, guys, then what you have to do, you have to go inside this basics of Java and start adding files here. You have to add here those files which you have aimed to push your code to the GitHub repository. Okay. So presently I'm going to click on new button and I'm going to create a text document. This only I will push it for you first. And slowly I will push your entire code also. Priya's entire code, I will push it today. Watch out. So entire I won't push. Otherwise, what she will push, right? So I'll push maybe 10 codes probably today. So I'll type here introduction, introducti, and maybe inside this, I will just type something. Take example, and I have closed it. Okay. So now what you have to do, you are here at the basics of Java, and in the remote also you are at the basics of Java. Now you have to write one more GitHub command. Write it down. The command name is git status. Git status. Git status will show you some file in the red color. I will explain you the meaning. Are you able to see some file in the red color?
Yes.
Introduction.txt. Okay. Guys, what is the meaning of git status? Guys, git status check which particular file is not yet moved to my remote. Whatever file is not yet moved, it will show you in the red color. So that's why introduction.txt it is showing you in the red color, which is an indication to you that you have to push this particular piece of code to the remote now. Okay. So you have verified that this particular piece of code is not present in your it is not present in your GitHub account. Okay. So now you have verified that this particular piece of code is not present. Now the next command that you have to run is called as adding it. Okay. So you have to write here git add file name. File name is introduction.txt. Guys, remember one thing, I'm not typing it at all. Okay. It is automatically coming. I'll teach you. Focus, please. After writing git add, the only thing that I have to do here is I just have to add the first letter of the file name. First letter. What is the first letter? Introduction is I. So I just need to add I. And after that, I need to press the tab button. It will automatically take it. So you guys also do the same thing. And press enter button. File is now being added. Guys, once file is being added, now the next command that you have to write is called as the, just a moment. If I keep writing things like this, you will get confused. So I will write it here also. Try to copy it. So my first command was git version. Sorry, git version. Make sure that you have written it. The first command was git version. The second command was git
Init.
initialization. Yeah. Third was git clone and the repository URL. I hope you remember what is repository URL. Repo URL. Repository URL will always have an extension of the git called git. Remember that. It's not fit, it's git, sorry. And once after git clone, what's the next
Prepare
command?
ls sir, to see
Okay.
list.
Okay. Those are not git commands, guys. Those are terminal based commands. Okay. So I'll write here, those are ls and cd. ls means give me list of files. cd means change my directory.
Directory.
Fine. After git clone, what I did?
Git status.
Git status.
Git status. And after that, I did git add. Git add file name. Guys, I also want to tell you that whatever as of now you have learned about the git add is fine. So this particular git add file name is for a particular file. What if you want to push everything? What if you want to add everything? Then you can write git add dot. Git add dot means all the files. Git add dot means all the files. Okay. Watch out. So till now we have done this much, guys. Okay. Now there are at least 3 more commands now, with the help of which we will be able to push our code. Watch out. Yeah, share your screen, Priya. So now I have to run my next command, which is called as commit command. Okay. So where is my access? Oh. So the command name is git commit -m your message. Every commit should have a commit message. So she will type here a message called as my all basics of Java code. Actually, this much of big git message is not required. So I'll reduce it. Basics of Java code. Take example. Guys, this message can be anything, okay? Make sure you have written the same thing. It is git commit -m under double quotes your message. That message can be anything. Please try not to use here any wrong words, right? Please remember, anything that you type here will be displayed in your profile. So make sure you are typing only professional things. And then press enter button. The moment you press enter button, now you will get these 2 things. How do I copy it? The moment you run the enter button, right, you will get these 2 lines. These 2 lines. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to do copy. And once after doing copy, you have to open the notepad. And once after that, you have to paste it here. Once this much is done, now, once this much is done, now you have to write your name here. So her name is Priya. Sorry, Priya. And here she have to enter her email ID. So we have to delete this and we have to enter our email ID here. Please enter, Priya, your email ID. Copy it completely. Control A, Control C, Control A, Control C. Go to the black colored screen. Go to the Git bash. Do right click. Right click, paste it. That's all. I'll manage from here. Yeah. So once after doing that, you have to press enter button here. So I'm going to enter it. Okay. Some pop-up should come now. Let's wait. Some pop-up should come. If it is not coming, it will come in the next step. No worries. Guys, once after doing this much, then finally you have to write up a syntax to push your code. Okay. So for that, the command is git push -all and the repository URL. So in her laptop, I need to get the repository URL. I hope you guys remember this is the repository URL. So I need to copy this. I need to go back here. Git push -. It's not just hyphen, okay? It's -. Two hyphens are present. So you guys also copy the same thing. Git push -all and the repository URL. Now I'm going to press enter button. The moment I press enter button, I should get a pop-up now, okay? Watch out. Hope you saw a pop-up. A pop-up has come. Able to see? A pop-up has come, so that with the help of which you can connect to your GitHub remote. So what you can do sign in with the browser. And now, once you sign in with the browser, in your browser, you are already signed it, right? Just do authorize Git ecosystem. Now you are authorized. Now you're authorized, okay? Guys, only when you're doing it for the first time, let me go back to your remote and refresh it. Only when you're doing it for the first time, right? It won't get pushed for the first time. Please remember this. Because the time you did commit, right, the time you added, you were not having the access. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to just repeat the last 3 steps once again, starting from add. Only for the first time you have to do this drama, not for the second time. Okay. So what you do, you just do git add. And then what you do? What is the next command after adding? Commit, right? Commit. And once after committing, what I have to do?
Push.
Directly push. So just run these 3 commands directly, one by one. Okay. And now you can see insertion has happened. You can see here. Where is insertion? Here. 3 of 3 has been inserted. Here. Right? Oh, we pushed only one file. Oh, sorry. That's why one insertion has happened. Now what you can do, I can go to here and I can refresh it. Now the file will be visible to me. So I can refresh Priya's repository. And now you can see in the main branch, which was earlier not visible, but now it's visible. Under the main branch, I have a file called as introduction.txt. And this is your commit message. The commit message is basics of Java code, which was committed 1 minute ago. What I can do now, I can click on this introduction.txt and I can also read everything which is present under this introduction. So you can see my name is Priya is mentioned here because we wrote it, right? Guys, I mean, I know whatever we saw just now was little difficult to remember everything in a first attempt, but now I can push everything lesser than 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Second time it won't take time. Only the first time it will take time. Okay. So Priya, I need your help. What you do, Priya? Whatever the basics Java code that you have in your laptop, right? Please copy and paste it here at this point. Go for it. Yeah, you can paste folder also, no problem. But I will request you to directly paste the Java .java file there. Okay, go for it. No, not like this, not like this. I'll guide you, I guess. I'm not able to hear you if you're talking. If you could resolve this issue, that will be great, but no issues. I'll do myself, no issues. So guys, what I can do, I can go to the package, and then I can go to the properties, and then I can go inside the programs from here. And once I go inside the programs, I can go inside this. Whatever the codes are present, right? I can copy each and every one of them. And now I can go here and do Control V. Now I have decided to push all of them. Take example, okay? So can you guys guide me what next I have to do now? Can you guys guide me? I have to push all of them. What should I do now?
Add dot.
Okay.
Git status.
See.
Git.
I want to tell you one thing, that git init should only be done once. Please remember this.
Push.
Okay. Git init should be done only once. Git clone should not be repeated twice. Please remember. So now you have to do your next command called as git status. Git status will show you the files in the red color. Okay. So what I can do here, I can write here git status. It will show me so many files in the red color. Hope you are able to see, right? Now what I need to do, I need to do git add. What kind of add? Dot. Dot means all of them.
All.
Once after doing git add, what I have to do? Git commit -m and the message. Entire basics code I am committing. And once after committing, what I have to do last one? Git
Git
push -- all and the repository URL. Where is repository URL? So I can copy from here, no issues. And I can do here right click, paste. But remember one thing, every GitHub URL should have an extension of .git. So same thing I have typed now. And now I can see how many insertion happened. 19 insertion happened. Hope you are able to see it, right? So now what I can do, I can go to my account and I can just refresh it. Now I should be able to see multiple files. All the files are present here, right? I can open any one of them and I can see the code also. So I can open and I can see the particular piece of code also, right? Now, after git add, what I did git
Git
commit.
-m message. After commit, what we did? Git push
All.
-all repo URL dot git. So git init means initializing the repository. This is cloning the repository from remote to local. Git status is to see the changes. Git add means adding particular file, all the files. Every commit should have commit message, pushing the file from local to remote, right? So as of now, I have to teach you a few more stuff, which I will not teach you today, right?